Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Halal Talk Show, where we review restaurants, products, and brands to help you make confident halal choices. Today's review is about Darbar Halal Restaurant. Many people know the name, but the big question is it truly halal? Darbar Halal Restaurant is known for its South Asian and Middle Eastern inspired menu. You'll often find dishes like chicken and lamb curries, biryani, kebabs, shawarma, naan, and a variety of vegetarian sides. In some locations, they also serve Mediterranean platters and American style food with a halal twist. Now, let's talk about the halal status. The restaurant markets itself as halal right in its name. In most cases, Darbar Halal restaurant locations are run by Muslim owners, and the meat is claimed to be sourced from halal certified suppliers. Many customers in the Muslim community have confirmed that the restaurant does indeed follow halal guidelines. But here's the caution: not every branch may display certification clearly. Some locations rely only on the name halal without showing proper documentation. As Muslims, our responsibility is to ask the staff directly about their suppliers and check for certification before we eat. So, the verdict: Darbar Halal Restaurant is generally halal and trusted by the community. But you should always confirm with your local branch to remove any doubt. Now, I'd like to hear from you. Have you ever eaten at Darbar Halal Restaurant? Did you see clear certification, and what dish would you recommend to others? Share your experience in the comments below so the community can benefit. And before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Halal Talk Show for more honest halal reviews and updates every week. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.